Right, so I've just turned up in Hull. I'm at the headquarters of the leather repair company. Come to pick up my Riley Pathfinder seats. They turned up, they were in a disastrous condition. I had real doubts that anybody would be able to bring them back, but just look at what Rich and the team have done. Absolutely beautiful. What you can't see on the video is how it feels. It's just beautiful, smooth. It almost, you've got that lovely oily feel, but it's not actually oily, it's just that lovely smooth, supple feels of the leather, and the colour is really beautiful, really, really deep. They've done an absolutely remarkable job, and the greatest thing about what they've done is it's something that you can do at home as well. Get in touch with a leather repair company, get in touch with Rich and the team. They'll guide you through the kit that you need, and they also do training as well. So this stuff is achievable by you as well, but I'm absolutely blown away by what they've done. It's fantastic. It's really going to motor the restoration on. So thank you to the leather repair company.